Hey guys, it's Nitya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this jute pot. This is very easy and it looks pretty good. Before we get started, please guys hit on that red subscribe button along with the bell button to receive notifications. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Firstly, you need a paper cup for this. And now what you need to do is you need to cut this paper cup in equal parts. And after doing that, it will look something like this. I'm just folding it, which is an optional step. Now you can use jute rope or any other wool for this. I'm using jute rope today. Firstly, take some jute rope and take a piece of sticky tape or transparent tape and stick it in the bottom first. And now start taking the rope up down like this. Just continue this process. It will start coming up like this and it's perfect. Now let's finish this. And I think it's enough now as my jute rope is about to get finished. So I'm finishing it here. You can do it till the top if you want. Now we'll cut it here and stick it inside using some sticky tape or transparent tape. Now let's cut these. Do not cut it too much or else it will start getting opened. It already looks pretty good, and now let's make the inside also look pretty. So for that, firstly I am adding glue inside this. Now we'll take our rope add some glue and start making a roll. Continue this. You can add glue in between if you want. Stick it inside. Once it's done, it looks like this. You can use this for a lot of things. Let me show you some examples. So I've got this tea light, and wow, it looks really good. Coins. A flower tutorial would be coming soon, and some artificial leaves. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.